Hello, friends. Today we are here to produce our collaborative work, collaborative product. And as you all know, we are creating a country with you. And for this activity, for this work, I have divided you into 6 teams. Each team is responsible for a ministry. Then we are going to talk about that ministry with you and set the rules and set the goals and set the priorities of that ministry with all of you. Then we are going to create a web page for our country. Of course, we're going to decide the name and the flag, and we're going to write the national anthem of our country, but they will be with a competition. Then on these sessions, we're just going to talk about our ministries and the competitions. Okay, now each team has I am the speaker of this work, and your mentor is Mehmet Najar, teacher, and he is here.
Yes, hello teacher.
Hello.
How are
And
you?
I'm fine, thank you. And thank you very much for organizing the students. As you know, they are all from different countries. I mean, they are mixed teams. And thank you. You organized all the participants for this session. Thank you very much for that. And friends, let's start. First of all, I want to share something with you. Here is a draft that I created. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, friends, this is the website of our country, but this is just a draft because we don't know the name of the country yet. We don't know the flag. We haven't designed the flag and the history and the priorities. We are going to decide all of them, but this is just the draft. And this is the main page. And this page is for the next session. Okay, here. This is our youth and sports, our ministry. We're going to talk about this ministry and set the goals and the priorities with you. This is the page of our website. And now I want you to think about the Ministry of Youth and Sport. You can think about this ministry in your country and the activities, the things you like, the things you don't like, the things that you like to change. And this is our imaginary country and an imaginary ministry. So we can add anything we want and we can extract anything we want. Okay, now I want to hear your ideas. Who wants to talk? Okay, I'll pick someone. Irmak, let's start with what sports should be popular in our imaginary country?
Teacher, do you hear me?
Yes, dear. Thank you.
I think sports that are safe, fun, and good for everyone should be popular. Instead of dangerous or high contact sports, we should focus on lifetime activities like tennis, cycling, and swimming. Because
Let me
people
take notes. Let me take notes here. Okay. Tennis. I can't write it here. I'm
cycling,
sorry. I'm sorry. Can you wait for me for a bit?
okay,
Okay, this is the first page of our. Now I'm gonna design here. I'm gonna edit here. Oh, this is not the page I need to find. Okay, this must be the right one. No, 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 no. So sorry, friends. Okay, tell me the tennis,
Cycling and maybe swimming.
cycling, and swimming. Good. Another one who wants to add something. Irmak thinks that tennis, cycling, and swimming should be on our ministry. What do you think, Divna? Do you want to add any other sports?
So I think that that's like good sports, but maybe something more like interactive, but also outdoors, like chess or board games, just to have fun.
Very good. Chess, board games, very good. And
That's all I have to add. I think that Irmak said it pretty good.
okay, very good. Thank you. Yasin, do you want to add something about the national sports or the popular sports of our country?
I think we can add the basketball.
Yeah, there should be basketball. Maybe the famous, the usual ones. What else?
I think that's all, teacher.
Okay, thank you, dear. David or David, do you want to add another sport? Maybe your favorite sport?
We could also add football.
Football, good. And let's collect ideas from everyone. Ege, I need a sport from you.
Um, I think we can add some national sports,
Mm-hmm.
like oil racing, for
Sorry,
example.
again, what racing?
Oil wrestling.
Oil wrestling, that is interesting and fun. Oil wrestling. Do you do that sport?
No, but I think it's interesting sports for me.
Yeah, it is really interesting, and I think not all the participants know about that sport. Friends, do you know oil wrestling?
Yes, I seen a couple of times
Yeah,
on YouTube.
very good, perfect. Then I'm gonna share the picture, the photo of that sport here later on. Okay, Pulje, I'm not so sure how to pronounce your names. I'm so sorry if I mispronounce them. Please forgive me in advance. What sports do you want to add? Pulje, Palje, or I ask you to unmute yourself. Pulje.
Sarah.
You're Sarah. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Maybe volleyball.
Volleyball, good. Mm-hmm. Perfect. And elveda.
Maybe it can be figure skating.
Figure skating. Is this one?
What?
Did I write it correctly?
Uh,
Can you see
wait.
it? Here.
No. Yes,
Here.
ice skating.
Ice
Actually, but
skating.
yes, but figure skating is real name.
Ice skating, figure skating. I don't know that
Same
name.
thing.
Sorry?
It's the same thing.
Okay, I put the dash between them. That's okay. So these are the sports of our country, of our ministry. These are the priority sports. Not all of them, tennis, cycling, swimming, they are good. Now, let's talk about the youth programs. Youth programs. Do you have any youth programs in your country? Do you have any youth centers in your country? Or let's think about our imaginary country, and we want to design a youth center. A youth center. What could be there? Maybe we can build a youth center in a mountain, on top of the mountain, or the seaside. What could be there? Here are some ideas: leadership camps, volunteering activities, and cultural projects. Can we do that in our ministry, in our country? Who wants to talk?
Can I talk?
Yes, sure.
I think we can organize regional competitions.
Regional competitions, very good. Let's add it here. Can we add regional and national competitions, or maybe international? What do you
I think, I don't know.
National.
I think we can.
Yes. Shall I add it? Shall I add
Yes.
regional?
Yes.
Yeah. And national and international, right? That way, because we are a big country, then we can do that. What else can be done? Well, what about the popular things nowadays all over the world? It is technology, right? Can we build some centers for coding or STEM? STEM. Elveda, shall we put some coding camps, coding centers in our youth programs?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, let's put that here. Coding center. And what else can we add?
We can add educational activities, maybe.
Very good. Educational activities. About educational activities, can we build some clubs for our ministry?
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about those clubs. What could they be? Think about some clubs. Elveda.
We could,
We
teacher,
can.
we could,
Okay, first Elveda, then Irmak, okay?
Okay, we can add reading clubs.
Very good. Reading club. Perfect. What else? Irmak?
we could add poetry club.
Very good. Poetry club. That's perfect. What else? I need a club from everyone. I can give you some literature club, chess club, board games club, and sports club, or singing club. Ege, which club should we add?
I think we can add some mathematic club,
Very good.
for
Math
example.
club. Very good. Then could we add some STEAM club or STEM? I'm not so sure. STEM, that must be STEM, right? Science, technology, education, math. Okay, perfect. Go. Club. Go on.
Can
Then
we also add art club?
art club. Perfect. Thank you, Sarah. And David?
Because we have a coding center, why couldn't we add a coding club?
Coding club, of course. Why not? You're perfect. And Divna?
We can add like a history club so that it connects to the history of our imaginary country. So it can be pretty fun to just like work in the progress of getting there.
Yes, perfect. This club is also helping us to create our country. Perfect, history club. Do you want to add any more clubs here? Or should I move on the next section? Okay, let's go on with the next section. Friends, Johnson, please get out. Okay, go. But let's talk about fair play. Do you know the meaning of fair play? Are the rules of the games. You need to be kind. You need to obey all the rules, right? Okay.
Yes.
What do you want to add about the fair play? What can we add for fair play? Should be respectful. Should we be
Maybe
obey
discipline.
all the rules? Okay, who wants to help me? Let's set some rules. First, we should be respectful, right? Right? Elveda, okay.
We can add be honest.
Be honest, perfect. We should be honest. What else? What about the rules? Yasin, should we obey the rules?
I think we.
I think we should, right?
Yep.
Okay, we should obey the rules. And
Maybe like no fights because then the whole game is like messed up and nobody is enjoying.
yay, try to enjoy it and no fighting, right? No fighting. You're perfect. Thank you. And what else can we add? Irmak, yes.
Play for everyone's safety.
Yes, safety is so important. Let's pay attention to safety, right? We need to be safe at all times. Good, thank you. What else can we add here? I need some more ideas. Should we be kind to our friends or team?
Yes, like when somebody falls or gets hurt, then we help them, and like we don't push them, that we just play fair and
Yeah,
that we
good.
kind.
Let's say you are perfect. No pushing and helping is we should help each other and we should be kind, right? Thank you. And do you want to add more things? Give me some more ideas, then we can finish this part.
Maybe that we cannot play just for us. We have to get that teamwork in, and like if we're playing like volleyball, we have to let others play too. It's not only us in the game.
Perfect. How can I phrase it here? How can I write it here? Let me think about it.
Maybe don't be selfish or something like that.
Perfect.
Yes.
You are great, Sarah and Divna. Don't play selfishly. Good. Selfishly. Perfect. And some other ideas from Ege, do you want to add something?
I think the cheating is a very need to be right there. No cheating. We
Yeah.
should write that
Per.
because if
Yeah.
yeah.
You are great. No cheating. That is important. No cheating. Okay, these are enough. Equality in sports is important. Respect, we already told that. And teamwork, yeah, we have talked about them. Okay, this is the overview of our ministry. And we have decided all the things all together. That is the important part of our project. And now, ministry goals. Let's talk about the goals and then finish this session. Healthy lifestyle. For healthy lifestyle, what should we do? To be healthy, what should we do? You can start from basics. For example, eat healthy food, right?
Yes.
Okay, Divna, what should we do to have a healthy lifestyle?
So we should be energetic, like do some workouts, go outside, just move our body. We can eat
Workouts.
healthier by not buying like fast foods. We can make our own food or maybe like grow organic food in our gardens
Yes,
and something like that.
good. Consume organic foods. Good. And away from fast food. Good. Irmak?
We get enough quality sleep.
Sorry again, please.
We get enough sleep, quality sleep.
Very good. We need to get enough quality sleep. Enough sleep. Good. Perfect. What else?
Maybe drinking more water and not being on our phones as much as we are.
Very good. Drinking water is so important to have a healthy lifestyle. Sarah?
Maybe go more often to doctors so we can prevent bad health.
Mm-hmm. Doctor visits are important. Maybe regular checkups. We should have regular checkups. Maybe we can add it, right? And Yasin, what should we do to have a healthy lifestyle?
I think we must stay away from addictions.
Yay, perfect. Stay away from addictions. Perfect. And who hasn't spoken yet? David? Elveda?
Well, they kind of already said everything.
So you don't want to
I don't know what to add.
Okay,
No,
maybe
I
you
don't
can.
know what to add.
Okay, think about the things that we eat. Maybe fruits and vegetables. What can you say about them?
I don't really
Or
know what
maybe
to say.
junk food. Should we eat junk food?
We should consume it less.
So we should consume less junk food.
Yes.
Okay, let's say avoid from junk food. Avoid from junk food. Perfect. Elveda?
We can limit our screen time.
Yes, you are great. Limit the screen time. The more you watch, the more addicted you get. Yeah, that's great. That's enough for this part. Let's go on with the next part. Leadership. This is one of our goals, leadership. What can we add about leadership? Who can be the leaders of the teams or the sports or events, or what is important for leadership? Elveda?
Helping others teammates.
Very good. Let's stay here. Helping teammates. What else can we say?
I would also say to pay attention what others think and not be selfish.
Good. What? Pay attention to what others say, think or say.
Think and say. You can put whatever you want.
Okay, let's keep both of them. Say and think. But don't be selfish. You said that, right?
Yes.
Don't be selfish. Good. And this is the last section for today's international events. Now, this is the global part of our ministry. What can be done for international events? Youth and sports. Maybe tournaments. We can design tournaments, right?
Yes.
Aren, I'm sorry. Aren. Okay, I'm back. Let's start with tournaments. We can organize tournaments. What else? Ege?
We can do government-funded sports event, and we can promote sport to young people.
So, can you repeat the first part of your sentences?
We can do government-funded sport events.
Very good. Government-funded sport events. Perfect. Especially for, and you said something then?
So we can promote sport to young people.
Good. And we can promote, we can give a chance to the young people. And also, if it is government funded, then we can help the disadvantaged people, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say, think about this. I'm so sorry. People and the young people. Good. What else can we add? Johnson, get out. What else can we add? Let's think about one or two things and then finish the meeting. Yasin?
I think we can offer big prizes for tournaments.
Yeah, good. Prizes are important. Prizes, valuable prizes, right? We need to give some valuable prizes. Perfect. And what else? Sarah, what do you Elveda, I'm sorry, Elveda.
We can use technology for these events.
Can we organize some tournaments about like video game tournaments?
Yes.
Maybe
Okay.
we
Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Video games, but the useful video games, not the ones with the guns or blood, not video games, tournaments.